All right, so taking a look at activity 6. So activity 6, everything's similar to what we've been doing. Now you've got forces where there's angles involved. Okay, and so, for example, if we look at this horse problem, not horsing around with this one, you got an upward force that's 460 newtons, but it's at an angle of 30 degrees, right? So this angle is 30 degrees. And so you're going to find the x and y force. So you find the force in the x direction, find the force in the y direction, right? And now we can make a more complete free body diagram, right? So there's a Fx on the horse, there's an Fy, and this is applied. So we'll say Fya and Fxa, right? Of course, the horse has a downward force of gravity, and there will be a normal force on the horse. And it says it's a frictionless cart. So since it's frictionless, then this is our only force in the x direction. And if this is the only force, this is the net force, right? And so we can use that to find the acceleration of the cart. So problem like this, again, your force is at an angle. So if we were to zoom in on this one, right, your force is at an angle. So make a triangle. Find the force applied in the y direction. Find the force applied in the x direction. And go from there, okay? If it's an object that's on a ramp, right? If it's on a ramp, remember to do a ramp, gravity is straight down, and then you draw a y vector perpendicular to the ramp, and then you draw your x vector parallel to the ramp, and the right angle is between the x and the y components. It's not here with the hypotenuse. And this hypotenuse will be the force of gravity. Okay, so that's how you set up and solve the problems in activity 7.